Here are my colors. I have Mysterious No More, which is a recipe from Gail Bernstein, and I will link that in the comments. I have Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. This is just a regular black. I think it's Carbon Black by Golden, but I mixed it up a while ago. This is Iridescent Gold from Golden's. This is a kind of pinky purple that was the ends of a bunch of different cups, so not exactly sure what's in that. And then this is Warm Copper by Modern Masters, and this is probably my favorite copper. I love it.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on. And the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man. pain behind. Memories I can always find. Didn't break and I still believe. Part of him is a part of me. Angels, sing me a lullaby. Yeah, a lullaby. Won't you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. Would you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. Won't you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. A lullaby.
Feeling caged, sunset, lights are out. I'm fading, angels on my name. Move on, just move on. Falling so deep.
Here we are for a quick little video walkthrough here. I really love these little pieces, and I definitely think I'm going to use this color combo again, probably in a larger piece. Some really interesting effects here with that Venetian blue. Love how that works with the gold and the black. And then this one, put a little frame on for you to see how that adds to the piece and makes it pop a little bit. Look at those little wispies. Got a little bit of pink peeking through. Yeah, I really love this color combo. I'm glad I went with something a little different today. I hope you enjoy this. As always, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.